So just a question for you guys. When you go to pick up parts or you go for a drive, do you take the scenic route or do you take the most direct route? Welcome back to another episode. So, I showed you that there was damage on the hood, or the bonnet, and the fender, driver's side, on the new Jetta. New to me. I found both the hood and the fender somewhere, and I am able to pick it up. Now, I've managed to hurt my back, so I can't do it. Anyhow, if I can get this bonnet, this hood off, where I'm getting the hood from, they say that they can put the hood on for me. So I'm going to undo these bolts and try to slide the hood off the front of the car. The nice thing is it's being replaced, so if it gets damaged, it gets damaged, right? So this is what I'm up to. Alright, so it's damaged here, and of course corresponding here. So I've got to pull these two nuts. I have cloth on either side, just so hopefully it doesn't slide and hit the windshield. I need to pull those 4 nuts, and then the idea is to slide it off the front of the car, because I don't think I can lift it. Alright, one thing I forgot to mention is we got to pull off the washer jets. So you just pull it towards you. There's a little plastic, little black plastic tab here. You pull that up to unlock it. Oh, uh-oh, it broke. And then this slides off, and then of course you've got to pull this piece here. Sorry, I need 2 hands. Alright, and now that that is pulled, just try to feed the wires up into the hood and slide them through. There you go. So I've got to find a way to secure this so it doesn't flop around while I'm driving. And I'll take these and put them in the car. And just like that, it is off. So I zip tied the washer jets, the cables just down here, so hopefully they don't flop around. I'm not sure if this is gonna blow around, so zip tied that too. I'm carrying a bunch of zip ties, so yeah. So this is what she looks like at the moment. Alright, so en route. So far so good. But, you know, let's not count our chickens before they hatch. It's a nice day. I'm really uncomfortable. Let's see if we can get this over with ASAP. Yeah. I hope I'm not too short or not as energetic and happy as I should be. But let's see what happens. I'm gonna try taking some back roads and see if we can avoid main traffic. Just, you know, I just don't want to have to deal with police, sit down and have a little chit chat. So let's see if I can get off of these main roads onto some back roads and get the parts that I need.
Tobacco Warehouse at 160 Carrier Drive.
Beautiful scenery.
Shop the
Alright, so I'm running some back roads now. Some nice houses back here. Okay, maybe not all of them are nice, but you know. See if I can fish my way from here over to the shop without being on any main roads. I don't know if you'll actually get in trouble, but I don't want to find out. I mean, just, you know, being pulled over and having to answer, you know, why and where, and just not interested, you know? Alright. I think I've got to go left. Alright. Catch up with you guys in a bit. Okay, I think we are here. Okay, so get rid of this thing. Alright, so one of the guys sold the fender, so I only got the hood. Well, only. I got the hood, and remember I was saying that the sunglass holder was broken? Well, I grabbed a bezel, I guess you'd call it, for that, and some bulbs. The bulbs were a lot more expensive than I expected, but they're good bulbs, and the way you can tell is they have a heat sink, heat dissipation piece on the back of them to help dissipate heat. That way it's less likely to burn out. Anyhow, it is just after 4 o'clock. I'm gonna try to beat the wife home. So uncomfortable. I'm sweating just standing. Sweating just sitting here. I always love coming to this parking lot. They've got some sweet rides. So I didn't show you guys what the hood looks like. Let's get a better view. So much better. Aside from that fender, like I said, they sold it on me. Oh well. And it's got a rust spot, but that's not too bad. I think it's a better hood. Looks so much more complete, so much nicer. You know? So, just a question for you guys. When you go to pick up parts, or you go for a drive, do you take the scenic route, or do you take the most direct route? Just curious. Another question for you. Would you rather live in the country or in the city? I'm a city boy, but I think I'd like to live in the country. I mean, the fresh air, the room. I could hammer and not worry about, you know, am I disturbing my neighbors? Are they gonna get annoyed? That, and when I go for a drive, like going to pick up parts, I take the scenic route because I like to see the new houses, the big houses. Yeah, that's one thing about driving I like. What do you guys like about driving? For me, it's the freedom, being able to go anywhere, see new things, possibly do new things. Yeah, that gets my attention. So what else should I do to this Jetta? Any suggestions? What would you like to see? What would you like to see done? New school going in. Widening the road. So yes, I picked up the hood bonnet from Das Parts. Good guys, good bunch of guys. I mean, I'm uncomfortable. Like I said before, I'm uncomfortable, and you know, they took care of me. They put the bonnet, the hood on for me. Typically, you know, I would go out and do it myself, but when your back isn't playing nice with you, and your foot is swollen, you gotta get someone to do it, right? Especially if you want it done now. I did it now because, one, I wanted it to look good, and two, the price was right. And I see a lot of platinum gray. What is it? What's Volkswagen's name for it? Platinum gray metallic is what VW calls it. I see a lot of those vehicles on the road. The problem is, I don't see very many of them crashed or wrecked. And if I do, most times, you know, it's the front end that gets hit, so the fenders and the hood are destroyed. So, I guess I was, well, I was going to say lucky, but I guess not, because I still have to find a hood. Okay, I said I was going to acid bath the hood of the car and, yeah, show you guys. But the Raptors are playing, I'm hungry, so we'll just go out to eat and watch the game. Hopefully there's still a little bit of sunlight. Probably not when we get back, and I'll acid bath it. If not, then I guess I'll just do it tomorrow morning. So just stopped for gas. Interestingly enough, I mean, to a tank of gas mixed of highway and local road, 736.9 kilometers to a tank. I think it would have gotten to about close to 750, but impressive nonetheless. 5-cylinder, huh? All right, VW/Audi. All right, I see you.